Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone camera blinking issue. The blinking camera issue on your iPhone is a common problem reported by many users. It can be frustrating as it hinders your ability to capture clear and focused photos and videos. So in this video I will tell you how to fix this issue. Our step number 1 is disable the macro mode. The macro mode on the iPhone 13 Pro, iPhone 14 Pro, and iPhone 15 Pro models get enabled automatically when the object is too close. This helps you capture a crisp picture with more details. But sometimes your iPhone struggles to achieve accurate focus and repeatedly changes between its wide and ultra wide lens, causing the camera to flicker. To fix your iPhone's camera blinking, simply turn off the automatic macro mode. To turn it off, simply you have to open the settings and then go to the camera app and you will see an option a macro control. Simply toggle it off. If this doesn't work, then you have to do is simply lock your focus mode. To do this, you have to simply go back and open the camera, and whenever you are capturing a video, simply focus, tap and hold and that side where you want to focus and lock the focus. If this still doesn't work, then you have to do is turn off your live photos. Your iPhones capture what occurs 1.5 seconds before and after you snap a photo using a live photos. Sometimes this feature interrupts your still photos, so you have to do is toggle it off. To toggle it off, you have to simply open the camera app, go to the photos, and you can see an option. If it's enabled, then you have to disable it. After toggling the live photos and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. Sometimes software glitches can cause the iPhone's camera to blink or flash. This can happen after an iOS update or if there are some bugs in the camera app. The best way to iron out these temporary bugs is to restart your iPhone. So guys, to restart your iPhone, simply have to open the settings, then tap on General, scroll down and then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Insecure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You have to open your software update and check if there's any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. So guys, these were some simple steps at how to fix iPhone camera blinking issue. If this video helps, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.